Now it's recording. Hello the YouTubes. This is just some guy trying his best. Today we are doing a quick look and unboxing of the Prograde Digital Dual SD Card Reader. This device is made for professionals, filmmakers, photographers, and content creators. Ooh, that's me! Prograde! The reason why I got this device is because I am replacing the AGP-TEC-KFE-T1 USB-C hub. If you haven't seen my video on the reasons why, the link will be in the description below. The Prograde touts the speeds at which this transfers from an SD to your computer, so I'm very excited to give this a test run. It says it can go up to 1.25 gigabytes or 10 gigabytes from both SD slots. You can spend more time creating and less time waiting on downloads. That's what it said on his website. I'm not that cheesy. Yeah, So you definitely get a Prograde PG08 user's guide. All right. So in the box you get a USB-C to a USB-A cord. You also get a USB-C to USB-C. So they include in the box an adhesive metal plate which attaches to the magnetic card reader, to your desk or to your laptop. They also say that the build quality of this device will outlast the toughest conditions you can throw at it and still perform faster than the rest. So I'm definitely excited to see what this device can do, and I do know it'll be better than the USB-C hub with the long name that I don't know already. I will be putting out a future video about the long-term use of this product, so definitely put on your notifications. Did you do it? Doubt it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't comment below. I don't like to read. But make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more spectacular events like this. Ooh. Ah. Again, I'm just some guy trying his best. Thanks. Are you still here? Scram!